What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a mousse only twist out, and I'm doing that because it is late in the day. 1, 2, I need my hair to dry quickly because I got somewhere to go tomorrow. And 3, I had planned on using a mousse for those first 2 reasons, but I planned on using a mousse I had already used before to use up my stash. But then I thought, you know what, I might as well try to get a little bit of content, and I didn't want to film me using the same mousse that I've used before that I really like. You guys have seen it, so I thought, okay, well, I'll just go ahead and break open the Camille Rose Spiked Honey Mousse. So you guys kept, a multitude of you kept saying, have you tried this? Have you tried this? This is really good. When I did a video either on favorite mousses, or maybe I was doing a side by side. I'm not sure what video it was now, but you guys were in my comments. Have you tried this against that, or tried these two? I think I was I think it was my this or that video. Y'all kept saying spiked honey mousse or XYZ, and I didn't have it. So I have since picked it up. Sally's was having a sale, and I was getting some other things. It's been a little while now, and they had this there, so I just went on and picked it up as well, so I can try it. So I said, you know what, if I'm going to do a mousse only twist out, let me go ahead and use a mousse that I haven't used before, so I can bring you guys some new content and let you guys know how I feel about this mousse. I am doing my hair like this because I am going to try to not have a middle part in the back, although I can pretty much get rid of my middle part, but I still also know that it's kind of there. You guys don't see it, others don't see it, but I can feel that it is kind of permanent, or trying to become permanent. So I'm going to try to twist without having that middle part. But anyway, I'm going to use this. Basically, it says apply a generous amount to freshly washed and conditioned hair, style hair, and allow to fully dry before fluffing. Now, it doesn't say to use a leave-in or anything, so I did wash and deep condition my hair. But right now, my hair is just clean. It doesn't have any leave-in or anything on it. A lot of times mousses say not to use a leave-in, so I'm going to try this one without, and I hope it's not drying, because I kind of think I should use a leave-in, but I haven't tested anything, so I don't know what would work. So here is the mousse. I like the texture. It does foam out. It doesn't bubble out, so that's good. I don't feel like it's as heavy as some of the other ones that I like, but we're gonna see. Look at that. It does look like it has some hold, and it looks like it will give me a nice wash and go. So that's good to know. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it and then just twist it up. Like I said, it's late in the day. I'm in a hurry. My son is downstairs. He had his surgery yesterday, had his follow-up today, so he's in pain and everything, so I don't want to be up here doing my hair too long. So that's another reason why I'm using a mousse. So I didn't even I did deep condition. I said that, but I didn't deep condition with, I forgot what I'm doing. I didn't deep condition with heat like I normally do. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I didn't deep condition with heat. I just deep conditioned in the shower, and I'm out. So I hope that doesn't mess me up either, knowing that I didn't use heat, so my hair may not be as moisturized as long as it normally is, because normally I use heat. So we're gonna see, and I don't know how moisturizing this is. But anyway, so yeah, just wanted to share with you that. And guys, this has it does have somewhat of a honey smell. I get the honey smell second. The first smell I get is kind of like I wanted to say spiced. You know how you have spiced cake and has the spices scent in it? I kind of get that scent first, but it's called spiked. So maybe it's supposed to be a, I don't know what it is, but it's okay. It to me kind of smells like a fall scent. So for those of you who like, you know, fall scents, you probably would like this. I could take it or leave it. It's not a favorite of mine, but I'm not gonna complain too much. Hopefully it doesn't linger and it doesn't bother me when I'm trying to sleep tonight. I don't think it will, but we're gonna see. So anyway, let me go ahead and stop talking. These are what my twists are looking like. They are looking nice and tight, which is great. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish twisting my hair as quickly as possible so I can get back to my son and you guys can watch.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me. Yeah. If you would show me. Yeah. If you would show me. Yeah. I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who is the real me. Might need my help than I thought I needed. I can see it. Need more healing, more believing, less deceiving. I don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me. Yeah. If you would show me. Yeah. If you would show me. Yeah. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news. Cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times. Cause I tell myself all the same lies. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news. Cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now.
Okay guys, so I got the twist all in. Not sure if you're going to notice or not because of course this will be edited. And so I probably will, you know, I probably would have cut some out or sped it up to make it shorter. So just in case you don't catch it in the video, this stuff does spread, which I mean, once you get some, you put it on one, seems like it expands, so you have enough in your hands to go to the next section. So on some of my sections, I didn't even get any more of this. I just used what was already on my hands. So I do want to let you know that. And there are other mousses that do that too. So this is not unique in that, but it is one of the mousses that do that. Not all of them do, but others do. This is one of the ones that does. So I want to let you know that it is about right to here. I didn't show you it, you know, it was new. I took the tape off of it, but I didn't go to see, I didn't show if it was all the way up here or not. So I'm not really sure how much I used, but it's still right here. So I still have a lot left and I definitely can try to use it for a wash and go if need be. So yeah guys, so I'm going to go ahead and just let this air dry and I'll be back once it's dry for the takedown, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back and it is the next day. It is later in the day because I'm busy. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take these down because I won't be able to take them down tomorrow. Normally I would take them out tomorrow, but because I have to be somewhere at 6:30 a.m. Who is picking up the camera, turning it on for the takedown tomorrow? So we're doing a little bit early today. So of course, you know, it has not had as much time to set as it would had I left it up until tomorrow. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. So far, so good. It's coming apart quite easily. It feels nice and soft. And it looks very defined. So I'm going to go ahead and just speed through this real quick, and I'll come back so we can talk about the product.
Heard it a million times, cause I tell myself all the same lies. Mom, I need therapy too. Have dilute all the bad news, cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times, cause I tell myself all the same lies. Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Oh, if you would show me. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah.
Okay guys, so I am done taking down my hair. I didn't separate it a whole lot. As you can see, there's still a lot of coils that could definitely be separated. But like I said, because it's late, I'm not going to do a whole lot. I'm not going to try to make it real big. I did want to come back though and just show you the takedown so I could tell you what I feel about the Spiked Honey Mousse, my initial thoughts on it basically. So yeah, definitely the more that I separate, the bigger it would get. But I'm trying not to separate, but these things will end up getting to me. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as is. Okay, let's talk about it. So my initial thoughts. Okay, I've been parting on this side, and then I tried to change it and part on this side, so my hair is kind of trying to get used to the different part. Okay, so my initial thoughts is that it comes out in a foam. I like it. Does have a creaminess to it, and I thought that that was nice. I could definitely feel when I was applying it to my hair that it did have some hold. It looked like I could see my hair defining, and it probably would give me a really good wash and go as well. Twisted it up. It twisted my twist nice and tight and uniform, so I like that. It looked shiny. My twist looked shiny, so I like that today. Once it dried, my twist didn't look as shiny, but they still looked okay. My hair looks healthy. It doesn't look dull. I don't have any flaking. I haven't seen any, you know, dusting or anything, which I'm not surprised because I usually don't get that with mousse, so that's great. The smell is just, it's kind of a, like I said, it's kind of a fall scent. Not sure what it is. It does, I can smell a little bit of the honey, but I don't get that first. I get like a spicy scent first, and then the honey kind of comes after that. Not my favorite, but it's not bad. I don't feel like it lingers because I can't smell it now on my hands or wafting off my hair, and I definitely didn't smell it when I was sleeping last night, so that's a good thing. It didn't keep me awake, so that's a good thing. So when it dried yesterday, I did feel like a little cast on my hair, and I thought, oh man, this might be drying, you know, because I didn't use a leave-in. I used this alone. Well, I took it out today. After sleeping on it, my twists were soft. They do feel soft. They do feel soft now, and they feel fluffy, and they do feel moisturized as well. For me, I do feel like there is a residue on my hands for some reason, which I don't normally get with mousse. Doesn't feel really sticky. I can just feel like a coating, like there's a residue. Looking at what it could possibly be, I'm not sure. I don't know. But anyway, I do feel like I can feel a little something, but it's not bad. It's not going to be bothersome or anything like that. And all in all, I like it. I think it gave great definition. I do have a little frizz here, but that is the way that I took that one down. As you can see, there's great definition. I really do feel like I can get, you know, some days out of this mousse. So yeah, guys, not bad, not bad. It says it's a 4-in-1 styler, so let's see what it is supposed to do. I guess I need to read up on it because I really don't see what it's supposed to do. It says 4-in-1 styler, but it doesn't say anything else. It just says it's nettle root infused, a lightweight setting mousse infused with honey and nettle. Maybe nettle is what I'm smelling. Crafted to smooth strands, boost shine, and set styles. So even if that's what they're talking about, that only says 3. So that's only 3 things. I don't know. So I'm not sure why it's called a 4-in-1 styler. I guess I need to look that up. But what I'm going to do is I am going to try to come back on day 3 and let you see 3rd day hair, let you see how it held up or whatever. If for some reason it doesn't hold up, I'll definitely put a blurb. So telling you what happened, what didn't happen, so forth. But yeah, guys, that's it. Let me know what you think of this twist out. Like I said, it's a little bit later in the day. Hopefully it's kind of dark in here to me, but hopefully you're catching it the way my hair looks. And yeah, let me know if you like it. Let me know if you use this, and if you do, what you use it with. Do you use it with a leave-in? Do you use it with something topped on, you know, with a topper? I don't know. Let me know. So give me some other ways to use it. But right now, initially, I like it. It is up there with some of my other mousses that I like. So with that being said, I can pick up any of the mousses that I've used recently and know that I can get a pretty good twist out with it. Still have to use it for a wash and go, so you guys know that probably will be coming later. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.